Okay, let's implement controls for the wizard. So what we want to do is if we're pressing the left arrow key, we move the wizard to the left. If we're pressing the right arrow key, we move the wizard to the right. So we're going to put an if statement inside our forever loop. The if statement is going to say if we're pressing left, move to the left, and then we need another if statement. For moving to the right, move right. And that's going to go on forever. So as long as we're playing the game, as long as the game is running, it's going to be checking: are we pressing left or right? If we are, do what it tells you to do. So we need an if statement, and that's in the control. And here we have if blank, then do the following. So what is it we need to check for? Well, we need to check if we're pressing the left arrow key. So that's in sensing. We ask, or we look for key, space is pressed, but instead we would like to say right arrow. And let's put that in here. Put it in the box. Sometimes it takes a few tries to get it in. And now what do we want to do if we're pressing the right arrow key? Well, we want to point in the correct direction, which is 90 degrees at the moment. So point direction 90. And then we want to move. So move 10 steps. Let's make it 3. That's from trial and error, but you can make it whatever you'd like. And let's test this. So press run. If I press the right key, what happens? Oh, he moves. Amazing. Stop. And now I essentially want to do the same thing, except I want to do it for the left key. So what I can do here is I can take this out, duplicate it, and now I have two versions. Oh, that didn't work. Two versions of the same code. So put that back in, and then put this below. And instead of right key, I now want to say left arrow. And instead of pointing 90, let's drag this to minus 90. So if I run, look, he's moving correctly. I'm controlling the wizard.